Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be opening up Fortnite right here, and we're going to be buying a skin. This is how to buy skins right here. So, I'm just going to unready for now. I'm going to go into my fourth option to see my item shop. And from there, you guys can see all the skins that you would like. So if you want to buy a skin for yourself, then all you guys have to do is just pick whichever one from here. So I'm going to pick this guy right here. I'm just going to check out everything else that we could buy that goes with the skin. I can also move him around to make sure this is the exact skin I want. And I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this skin right now. So we can go ahead and just buy as gift, which is our second option, or purchase items, which is our first option. We're gonna tap in on purchase, and here we go. So we can equip it or just go into next. So we're actually gonna equip this, and we are gonna equip this as well. And there we go. Now we have our skin. We can see our V-Bucks just went down, and that's it. Now remember that your V-Bucks from your Xbox, PlayStation, or right here on your iPad or iPhone would be different in each one of these things. So V-Bucks from here will not transfer over to my PlayStation. PlayStation V-Bucks will not transfer over to my iPad or iPhone. This is how to do this, whether you guys have an iPhone or iPad or Touch, exact same way in order to buy anything from the item shop. So you can just go ahead and check. I can see that I have this skin that I just bought. And if you go back into item shop, I can do the exact same procedure in order to buy anything from here. However, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.